that's how it is. Because when people are not artists, I'm forcing myself to sing, just to deliver the truth when fear doesn't want to speak. You release it the best way you can, however it comes out. Who's as long as you stay in silence, there is nothing you are losing. As soon as you stop chasing what is not meant for you, your mind will begin to awaken you. It is in the middle of thoughts, in between the breaths you take, that is where the answer is hidden. Let me tell you, my brothers and sisters, let me tell you the truth. It does not kill you to find it. Open, open, open your eyes. Your breath is the key, I'm telling you. You don't pay money for it. It is your first experience when you arrive on this earth. There are many forces, many spirits that would love to experience this, but they cannot. Many of them stay outside trying to influence us. They don't want us to know who we are. Ask yourself questions when a thought comes. Don't judge it, observe it, ask it. Where do you come from? What is your source? What is your reality? Then that thought will disappear. Another one will come again. You repeat the same process and listen, my friend, the thoughts will begin to slow down. They will come little by little, because you are not those thoughts. In the middle of that silence, in that quiet space, observe it, that is where the answer is hidden. Mystery that has been waiting for you since the beginning. I am the word that was there since the beginning and will always be there, that will never not be there, my friend. When you wake up from sleep, when your mind is calm, before any problem, before the name they gave you, there is a small feeling inside that lets you know you exist, that you are alive. Pay attention to that feeling. That is what you are. What you are cannot be seen, it can only be lived. Everything you see with your physical eyes is not you. Stop identifying yourself with them. God is not outside of you. God is within you. You are Him and He is you. Like the body and its shadow. You don't have a soul, my brother. You don't have a soul, my sister. It is the soul that has you. Open your eyes, close your eyes. Look into the space between your eyebrows and your inner depth, so you can find direction. Do not waste your sexual energy, because it is your strength. What you protect will protect you. It is the Christ energy inside churches. They call it Christ, others call it Kundalini. In Voodoo, in Africa, in Haiti, they call it Danmbala. It is not a force outside, it is a force within us. Danmbala does not come from above. Danmbala rises from below, from the base of your spine. You will feel the energy rising if you don't waste your sexual energy. It is your power, it is what illuminates your mind. It is what brings knowledge, it is what makes you stop doing harm. It is what opens your consciousness, raises it higher, higher, higher. We are not in the head. The head is not who we are. Listen, my friend, we What is my mission on earth? What is my blueprint? And you will find the answer. What I can tell you, the words are coming to an end. I am not an artist. I told you. I am forcing myself to give you the message the best way I can. Listen, ay bobo, awo chinago.